Today we'll discuss a very interesting topic, marketing versus selling or marketing and selling. I always prefer to discuss this term as marketing and selling. When you have both auto rickshaw and Ola cabs are running on the streets, it helps to reorient us to understand the concepts like marketing and selling. One is following marketing and one is following selling. Now it is up to you to think which one is following marketing and which one is following selling. Many times a question is asked whether these terms are similar, dissimilar, whether they have any relationship or not. So selling, it has the objective of increasing revenues. Marketing has the objective of creating new clients, customers, and maintaining the existing clients also. So customer relationship, customer acquisition, satisfaction, retention, these are the very interesting words belongs to marketing. And the ultimate result of marketing is to create customer. Marketing is defined by the concept called marketing mix of 4Ps. This is a proactive approach aiming at customer satisfaction. So if you look selling is based on opportunity. Most individual or individualistic activity, short-term interactions are part of selling. Selling is narrow and may be involved in regional settings. Imagine your auto. The autowala or the auto driver is very much opportunist. He is individual. His approach is opportunist. He is not thinking about so many things at a time. And marketing is based on analysis, research, strategy. Marketing is based on long-term associations and involvement. Marketing is broad and may be easily accepted by the whole world. Imagine Ola. A lot of research, hard work, understanding the market scenario, customers requirement, what would be the satisfaction level, how they can satisfy the customer. All these things goes to the operations behind Ola. Selling starts from the point of sales and its center is always the seller. So it's a seller dominated or seller oriented approach, like your autowala or auto taxi driver. Basically, as per their interest, they are going to operate. They are very much centered on their own. The business model is very much centered on their own approach. So, but marketing is not like that. Marketing has a focus on branding and customer needs. That's why your thought process has to be broad. Selling is seller-driven activity, but marketing is a customer-oriented activity. Seller-driven activity means as per the seller's requirement. Sometimes that's why we say selling is something where a marketer probably or maybe a manufacturer is more interested to sell what they are capable of manufacturing. They're not very much interested in giving you product which the customers really require. But in marketing, the marketer will always emphasize on a product what the customers really required. So objective of selling is to sell at any cost, but the objective of marketing is to have customer satisfaction. Selling is one directional in terms of communication. Only the seller has the dominance, but marketing is both directional. For marketing, the entire communication starts from the seller or maybe from the marketer, but it is equally responded by the other side also. So selling has limited orientation and mostly internal, but marketing has broad scope and it covers many points that are outside the organization also. Selling as a concept moves only in one direction. Selling starts where there is a point or maybe there is a product, but marketing starts even if there is no product. So marketing is multidimensional. It can be utilized even if you have no product. Marketing points out on organization structure. Marketing is more dynamic. So if you look, selling strategy is a push approach, but marketing is a pull approach. Selling deals with one-to-one, but marketing deals with one-to-many. Selling is persuasive communication, where marketing is consistent and continuous communication. In the selling, the salespeople's approach is basically short-sighted, and they're more interested in closing the deal. But marketing department are not short-sighted. They always look for the long-term benefit, brand loyalty, or maybe customer loyalty, or maybe maintaining a long-term customer relationship. So these are the points I could able to discuss what selling and marketing could be. Can you relate these things with auto and Ola? When you have a auto, you have to pick up, you have to take the service of a auto, and you have to take a service on Ola. Where you find the selling and marketing is more applicable, and who are very much close to what concept? Please do comment.